Ever wondered how Google My Business can supercharge your local SEO? Understanding this power is key for small businesses striving to make a mark. Stay tuned to uncover the secret. So, what is Google My Business? It's an invaluable tool for businesses, offering features that boost online visibility. It's a digital storefront that showcases your brand to the world. But how does it influence your local SEO? Let's dive in. Google My Business is not just a tool, it's a game changer for local SEO. It boosts your online visibility, drives more traffic, and propels your rankings on search results. Sounds impressive, right? But how can you leverage it for your business? Unlock the potential of local SEO with Google My Business today. Boost your online presence and let authority solutions guide you through. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more such insights. Until next time, keep growing.